Hi there. I'm glad to hear the many nice things that have been happening as people stay home. We've got time to learn new things, exhibit our skills, try new dishes, and also focus a lot on cleanliness and hygiene. The pandemic has in a way changed our daily routine, and some of which is actually for the better. It has made us find new ways to make our household work really easy. But isn't it good if we can finally put our learnings to practice permanently and make ourselves more self-reliant? With social distancing strictly in implementation, a lot of us have been deprived of our domestic help. And that is why people are now turning to dishwashers. In this episode, I'd like to give you some information on Bosch dishwashers, bust some myths, and also explain how they work. Most Indian households do not have dishwashers, and hence there's not much awareness around it. There's also a belief that dishwashers are not for Indian cooking or utensils, and that is not true. Bosch dishwashers can cater to 80% of your everyday cleaning needs. They can even get to the greasiest kadais and the toughest masala stains sparkling clean. The touch-free cleaning of the utensils used for food not only makes them spotlessly clean but also completely germ-free and dry. The investment on Bosch products is worthwhile as the product has to offer a manufacturer's warranty of 10 years and it can function for much longer than just that. View this brief demonstration video that follows after, and you can reach out to the contacts at the end of the video for more help. We from Superpower, a Bosch brand outlet, are focused on providing the best possible products and services to all our clients over Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You can reach out to us for products, services, consumables, and we'll be happy to help you with the after-sales service as well.
Thanks. Wow. Your kitchen looks in a real mess. I hope your maid would be here soon to clean all this.
It's just one of those days when she decides to take a spa break.
So how are you going to clean all these dishes?
I've stopped worrying about all that since I've got my Bosch dishwasher.
You mean to say that all this will be washed by this dishwasher?
Yes, and I do it all the time. You just have to take the dishes and put them in the rack.
So do we have to rinse the dishes before placing them?
No, you just have to scrape the leftovers and that's about it.
But cleaning this cooker would be a big challenge. And do these utensils fit into the dishwasher?
Well, everything including my baby bottle fits in well inside this dishwasher. Just need to ensure it's upside down.
And what about this oily and greasy kadhai?
Let's keep it like this. This oil and grease may look tough, and it may be difficult even for the maids to clean it. But once it goes into the dishwasher, it comes out absolutely squeaky clean.
That looks excellent.
For dishwashers, we get this special detergent like Finish.
Oh.
Now all we have to do is shut this door, push this button, and relax.
And what are these?
This is intensive program for heavily soiled utensils. It washes dishes at 70 degrees centigrade. Hence removes all the oil from the utensils, no matter how stubborn they are. We'll select auto program now. With this, all you need to do is load your vessels in the dishwasher and the dishwasher will take care of the rest. Oh, Vario Speed is another option in which the wash cycle is reduced by half without compromising on the wash quality. You know, give me a second. I want to show you how it works. 1 second.
Is it actually working? I can't even hear the sound.
Yeah, unlike maids, it's very silent. See this.
In order to install a dishwasher, all you actually need is a water connection which can be connected to the dishwasher permanently, a drain outlet for wastewater, and of course, electricity supply. During the installation of your dishwasher, the company service engineer will explain you the procedure in detail. Loading utensils on a dishwasher is not difficult. Loading them properly can help your dishes come out sparkling clean. It can also save energy and time. For that reason, it is important to load the dishwasher correctly. Your dishwasher is perfectly tailored for Indian utensils to give you shining results. Now, start loading the dishes in the tray. For perfect results, place the large items in the lower rack and the smaller items in the upper rack. Normally, a dishwasher has 2 baskets to stack the dishes. The lower basket is used for keeping all the heavily soiled utensils. Kadhais, steel cookers, big plates and bigger utensils can also be placed. It also has a cutlery rack to place spoons, forks and knives. The upper basket is used to keep small dishes, cups, saucers, mugs, bowls, etc. Its height can be adjusted to make space for taller utensils. Always make sure cups and saucers are faced downwards so that the water can drain off easily. Cutlery belongs in the cutlery basket. The soiled portion should be facing upwards so that it can be reached easier by the water. Make sure not to load aluminum into the dishwasher. From the safety point of view, place long, sharp items like knives down or lay them flat. Make sure the spray arm on the top and bottom is not blocked by tall items. Turn the spray arm with your hand in order to ensure that it can rotate freely, so that the water can reach every surface. If it doesn't rotate, reorganize the dishes. In case you've forgotten to place a soiled dish in your dishwasher and already turned it on, don't worry. Dishes can be placed or removed anytime during the wash cycle of a dishwasher. You can do this by simply opening the door in the middle of the wash cycle and placing your soiled dish in. The dishwasher would begin exactly from the same point where it had stopped. If it is opened more than 3 times during a particular wash, a few minutes would be automatically added to the completion time. Dishwasher gives you quick and effortless dishwashing with clean, dry and shining utensils.
Wow. It is absolutely clean and perfectly dry too. It has removed all the oil and grease from the kadai as well.
Of course it will. And it's hygienic too, as the dishwasher uses hot water and advanced detergents to clean.